Hi, I'm Peter Hiddema. I'm the lead facilitator for the Commanding Presence programs, and this video is to tell you a little bit about what you can expect here and what you can gain from coming and participating. This workshop is a highly interactive session designed for people who have to speak in all kinds of settings. Most of our clients are executives and leaders of one form or another. They might be technical or non-technical roles. And the setting we're in right now is, in fact, the facility that we use in downtown Toronto for our public open enrollment programs. We can come to you wherever you are. We travel around North America and other parts of the world. So the program, let me tell you a bit about that. First of all, you are videotaped 4 times in 2 days. And while videotaping can feel unpleasant and can be anxiety provoking, that's actually one of the things we need to work on. Anxiety. So one of the key things you'll get is an enhanced ability to deal with the nervousness that is very common to feel when you have to speak in public settings. Second, you'll get a powerful and simple technique for saying less and saying it better. That's the focus method that we'll teach you, and you practice twice during the workshop. You create a talk of your own making using the focus method as a way to experiment, experience, and implement the program and the methodology. You will get practice speaking from notes, that is, word for word notes, verbatim notes, in an authentic and conversational manner. Instead of reading to people, you'll be speaking to them as if you were saying it for the very first time. You get individual coaching. We have very small workshops. The maximum group size is 10 people. We often have somewhere between 6 and 10 as a common group size. That said, we do speak at conferences and other events where there could be 100 people in the room. Of course, the design is somewhat different, but anything is possible depending on your goals.